Good morning, world changers, history makers, pacesetters. It's Mother Ego here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. Let me increase the volume. All right. I hope everybody's doing well. I thank you, everybody, for all your comments, your contributions. Thank you so much for being active members of the Eagles community. Well, today I wanted to share my morning routine. Hi, thank you for joining. Tell us where you're from. Leave a comment. So many years ago, I had a habit of getting up so early to work out and get organized. But over the years, I kind of stopped. Hi, everybody. Welcome. Tell us where you're logging in from. So over the years, I kind of stopped. I've always been a morning person, but I got, can I say, lazy or something, and then I realized I used to accomplish a lot in the morning, because with life sometimes you forget to have me time. You know, like in that example they give us when you're flying. If in case of an emergency, put oxygen on yourself first. Yeah. So in life, we have to learn to put ourselves first, take care of ourselves before we take care of others, right? But as we get so busy, sometimes we forget. Hi, everybody. Ismail, Eddie, Pa, welcome. As we get busy, we forget to take care of ourselves, but we have to be priority. Remember, we give from overflow. So we have to take care of our health, we have to take care of our finances, our relationship, everything. So 2 weeks ago, I decided to remind myself of my morning routine, where I wake up at 5 a.m. and I do a little journaling, I do a little exercise, and I do a little programming in terms of what do I want my day to be. But remember, all your goals for your next day have to be done the night before. You need to be organized the night before in order to have a successful day tomorrow. You see? So waking up at 5 has taught me so much in terms of getting organized because I have to be on track. You know, one of the things that helped me was the book, The Morning Miracle, the 5 a.m. Morning Miracle. That's a good book. It will help you with the steps of getting up early and being organized. You know, there's something about developing a habit, right? Because since our brains are automated, everything we are doing is a habit. But the question is, are your habits success habits or are your habits failure habits? Because success habits will help you be successful the whole day. Failure habits will make you put in a failure mood the whole day. So we have to think really consciously in the morning when we choose how our day will be. For example, when you get up late, supposing you are supposed to be at a meeting at 8 a.m., you get there at 8:30. All of a sudden, you start realizing everything you do, you are late. You're running from one thing to another, Why? Because you organized yourself the wrong way. But if you program yourself with a winning routine, you get everywhere on time, you know what to do. Guess what? You set up your day for success. Then the real question is, when does success happen? Success is the big picture. It's when you realize that, okay, it's small steps. the successful things you do every day, the little baby steps you do through the day. It's a combination of all those that you look at the end of the month and realize you have created a successful life. So success just doesn't happen. It's an accumulation of small, diligently done steps in the right direction of where you want to go, towards your goal. You see? So anyway, I just wanted to share that. My morning routine is going good. I feel a little tired, but you know, they say it takes around 60 days to master a routine, right? So I'll keep getting up early in the morning and be more organized and keep up the routine. And let me know, do you have a morning routine? Do you have a success routine that you're doing right now? Leave it in the comments so that we can share with others. As always, I love you guys. Thank you for hanging with me. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.